Good afternoon, MMTs. I'm going to bring to you once again for the longer term MMTs we have in the United States and their shorter time frames of how this has been the greatest sector is the Nasdaq Biotechnology Index. And back over here in the day, we told people that it has big pullbacks, but every pullback kept making a series of new highs across the board and whatnot. And I'm just going to bring this over here right now. And what I'm going to show you right now is the following here. I'm going to show you the Nasdaq Biotech sector. And what else I'm going to show is what these massive moves have been on a daily level. As far as the index goes in the Nasdaq Biotech sector. And what else I'm going to do, be happy to do, is I'm going to do the following. These are the names right here. So these are the ranges that they traded. So one thing about what we're going to do, like we always do, I called back in year 2012 that the biotech index would return as one of the hottest indexes in the whole marketplace. And what I am going to do now is go ahead and set that over there on the side, and I could say that we're overbought. And you know, we get good pullbacks like right here, and then we get great rallies, short-term pullbacks, great rallies, pullbacks. This is the big one and went parabolically up. Let it be known, my friends, is that this was the low right here. And when the market sold off, we switched straight up on a daily level, and we did. And this was that reversal. And there was that great support level right here. And now we're right up there. And it's December 2014. We are overbought, and we love it because we're going to be able to pick off good stocks. I'm going to start with just a few. Just a few of them. GILD has been a great move. So I just want to make it clear, once again, IBB, right up here, that's an ETF to the biotech index. You got the ETF, and you also have, what I was just pointing out to you, is a huge move. I'm going to just start covering a few. Look at here, Celgene, what a rocket that was from 70. We were all over this stock forever. REGN, every pullback on a monthly level and breaking to all-time highs, and we cover it all the time. Gilead also hit a nice high. It's pulled back on a monthly level to here, and this is where that bigger monthly pullback was. GILD, how many times have we updated it? More than I can count. We've been trading it for years. Another one that had a great move finally is Amgen. And when I say a big move, there's that 10-month moving average, my friends. And Amgen was one that was late to the plate. And meaning that they finally got their act together. And there we are on Amgen. And then VIIB. This one is called Biogen. Biogen, we were trading it back in the 90s. This is what Biogen looked like over here at $50 a share. And as it got approvals, and I always said back in 2012, they were running out of patents on their biotech patents, the products that people had enjoyed over the last 15 years, 10 years, going back in time, is that the FDA approval on BIIB, this is all a monthly chart. This is a monthly chart. And you can clearly see what it was like. And it was a great mover. Remember, it's a monthly chart. Every time we got a dip down here, that 10-month rising moving average, we took off like a rocket. First, we made our highs over here, and I just want everyone to know that this sector will continue to be hot. The February 1st high right here, they were right around 358 right here. In the month of March, that was the high of 358. We pulled back all the way down here at 270, 280. It never looked back on a monthly level. So you go 1 month, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. We got back up here to 348, and that was in August. Then from that high, when the market sold off, when we told everyone it was going to sell off, here's what it did. I'm just going to draw a trend line right here. Right here at the bottom of these monthly 2 bars. I'm going to draw another resistance line up there, though. And those are on the wicks. Here's the body of it, of the high. I want everyone to know, though, that this low on BIIB was a great one, because you see, when we had that big market pullback or correction, they also corrected, and that low right there was 290. The low over here on 11/1, the low was 297, and that was starting 11/1. And here we are, December 1 of 2014, and we're right back up here. This low was 370. No, this low here was 306 on the 12/1 monthly bar to current, and we rocketed it up to 350. Oh my goodness, what a gigantic move that was. ILMN Biotech. This one was late to the plate. Back over here in 2013, yes, a $50 stock. This actual high right here was 183. And what month was it? March. We pulled back with the markets to the low 127. And that was the support level. But just let me tell everyone something. It's hot, and it's still going to go higher. And every pullback is an entry, no matter what. And they have shown that extensively. Biotech, Nasdaq Biotech, ILMN. I have a huge big one right here. It's called BLUE. Bluebird Biotech. Now, everybody, just check this out. This is a monthly chart for 2014. Now, take a look at it. All right? So here, let's do this, right? Let's go to this low right over here, okay? Let's go to $17.40. And when was that low? May 1st. And it's a monthly chart. And we rocketed straight up. Look at that. Look at that. Very nice move. And what was the low of that move? At that time, it was $20. And in this month of June, we went straight up here to $42 from $20. And every time we get a dip to the low, so the high was 40.3, and the low dip, monthly dip, on July 1, once again, was $30. We made another high as we came out of this 4-month breakout phase. There's the first, here's the 4-month, and then we break right to the top. And once again, BLUE, please put on your watch list. Another home run in the biotech on a monthly chart. And what I'm going to do with CBST Pharmaceutical, a great one to trade, and put it in the watch list, MMT, because back in the day, and I remember this, back in the day, a lot of biotech stocks made these highs, and then you never seen them again. And right now, we have a new biotech environment for intraday trading and also buying options. This was a great one right here. Back in 2012, we were convinced when we were saying that all of biotech was going to be the best that it was going to be. And sure enough, it lived up to its faith of price action with people buying and selling. And right here on a monthly level, here's what it looks like in calendar 14. And you know what? You better keep it on your list. CBST. The stocks that I have mentioned in the actual Nasdaq Biotechnology index has had a considerable move, and this is a monthly chart. And let us not forget that back in 2012 and 2011, that biotech would be the hottest index. And why was that going to be? Well, because it never did anything for, I think it was like 12, let's see, no, so it'll be, 14 years. So it'll be 12, be 13 years is where biotech came back in. And just like other bull markets, they do lead the way. Let me tell you that. I'm going to conclude the one that I'm going to cover each and every one of those trades that we talked about in this particular buy and sells that we're going to do in 2015.